We're going to show you a few variations you can add to the window.
We traveled.
Okay, so we'll walk through those with you step by step. The first one, you're going to let go with the right hand. Instead of going under to switch to the other side like we usually do, we're going to put our hands behind our backs. You need to communicate with your partner so that she knows this is what you're doing, otherwise you're just going to walk around awkwardly for a while. Then you're going to step out with your left foot, and bring your left arm and your right arm together. And then you're going to spin your partner twice to the left, and then you're back where you were before. The second variation, guys, again, we're going to let go with the right hand, reach behind our partner and tap her back twice so she knows to put her hand behind her back. Ladies, you're just going to put your hand behind your back like a chicken wing, and then you're going to lift up your left arm, bring them down together again, and spin your partner to the right once. And that's a different way you could switch rather than just reaching under and spinning. The last one, if your partner's on your right, you're going to step with your right foot. If she's on your left, you'll step with your left foot. Guys, you're going to lift both arms, step with the right, and bring your arms all the way over to the other side. Then sweep them down and spin, and you're right back to where you were. And those are just a few things you can do to change up the window.